Have you ever wondered what you get inside a new distributor kit? There's a welcome letter and your invoice, and then there is a really cool carry case for you to put all your stuff in. It's called a demo bag. It's got lots of compartments. And then you also get a bunch of goodies. Look at all that stuff. Let me show you. You get a packet of beauty books, which is our catalog, glossy gloss samples, climate control samples, hair care samples, 3 Lipsense colors, a gloss and an oops to demo to people. They're called your testers. Your customer purchase receipts when people want to buy something from you. Applicators to dip into the Lipsense and the gloss when you're sharing the product. And then you also get $1 Million Lips, the book written by Joni Rogers Conte, who is the founder of the company and the CEO. And you get some brochures to share the opportunity. That's a lot for $65.